ARMYTRIX.
Oh my goodness, eh?
Man, we have been waiting such a long time to open this box up right here.
And let me show you what the aftermarket exhaust looks like.
I love opening up boxes.
She literally opens every box in our house. It's ridiculous.
Nosso escape que a gente vai instalar. Escapezão da ARMYTRIX. Queria agradecer demais a ARMYTRIX aí. Vamos entrar lá no Instagram deles que vai estar aparecendo aqui.
Hi, officer. All thanks to ARMYTRIX.
This is by far one of the best sounding and highest quality exhausts on the market. So let's crack this thing open and show you guys exactly what we're talking about.
So, let's do it.
Guys, this is gonna be one of the sickest mods for the GTR. Check this out.
We got a ARMYTRIX full entire exhaust system. Absolutely everything is gonna sound like a beast.
This looks so good, guys. So good.
Okay.
Inside and everything is just the different colors.
We're very excited to see how loud this Hellcat's going to be. One of the loudest systems on the market.
Oh my god! What? I forgot how loud they are, but I love it.
Wow!
Smells good. Oh! It's massive!
Well, thank you very much for watching. Shout out to ARMYTRIX. This exhaust is absolutely savage and it's really finished my car off.
Hope you enjoyed. This car's really turning out incredible.
Legit, ARMYTRIX, that's legit. That valve system is something else because you can be quiet when you need to be quiet. You can be loud when you want to be loud.